Hi students, good morning to everyone. I am a social science teacher. I hope you all doing good and I believe that everyone make use of this valuable time by studying all the subjects. At the same time, stay safe and healthy with your family during this pandemic situation. Okay students, now let's start our second session. Now we are going to enter into a new topic in geography. Natural vegetation. Outline of the chapter: the environmental factors affecting natural vegetation. Second one, main types of natural vegetation. Next, need for forest conservation. Next, conservation of forest. Next, forest product and their uses. First topic, the environmental factors affecting natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of India depends mainly on rain and relief. 1 mark. The type of vegetation corresponds to the amount of rainfall received. There are two factors on which the type of natural vegetation and its distribution depends upon. 2 marks now. First is variation in the amount of rainfall. Second one is variation in relief. These 2 points carries 2 marks. Main types of natural vegetation. The natural vegetation of India can be classified into following categories. They are: forest based on variation of rainfall. A. Tropical evergreen forest. B. Deciduous monsoon forest. C. Desert and semi-desert vegetation. D. Thorn and scrub forest. The second division is forest based on variation of relief. E. Mountain forest or mixed forest. F. The mangrove or tidal the mangrove forest or tidal forest or littoral forest. All this A to F points, this fully covers 3 marks. Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation are plants that have not been grown by humans. It does not need help from human and gets whatever it needs from its natural environment. Example: forest, tundra, rainforest, etc. This natural vegetation definition carries 3 marks. The meaning for tundra. Tundra region, that is a type of region where the tree growth is hindered by low temperature and short growing seasons, and also known as uplands. Treeless mountain tract, scattered trees grown in some tundra region. The tundra soil is rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. It carries 1 mark. Next, we can see the distribution. First one, forest. You can see now the tropical evergreen forest. We can see to it climate. B. Its rainfall is 200 to 300 centimeter. high humidity. Now temperature 25 degree Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. C. Its distribution. Tropical evergreen forest distribution. Windward side of the Western Ghats, Garo and Khasi, Janshia Hills. Lower slopes of Eastern Himalayas, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Listen carefully. In this distribution, if you are feeling somewhat tough to study the first point, the windward side of the Western Ghats, Garo, Khasi, Janshia Hills, if you find it difficult means you can leave that and study the second point. Lower slopes of Eastern Himalayas, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is more than enough. States: West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra. I have given you 5 states. Out of this, you can choose and write any 3 states. Then D. Forest and trees. Forest. Dense, thick undergrowth. Tall trees in layer arrangements. Climbers, creepers, ferns, bamboo are grown. In these trees you can see some over 60-meter broad-leaved trees, fine-grained and hardwood. E. Species and the uses. In the species and uses, you can choose any one point out of this. First point, rosewood, ebony and shisham used for making high-quality furniture. Second point, gurjan used in making railway sleepers and furnitures. Out of this, you can choose any one point. F. Special features. First point, dense forest, mixed stands, thick barked trees with dense undergrowth, also called rainforest. Second point, evergreen forests are called as different species shed their leaves at different times and the forest thus appear green always. Regarding the special features, you can suggest any one point you can study. Then second forest, tropical deciduous forest. Another name of tropical deciduous forest is monsoon forest. 1 mark it will be getting. B. Its climatic condition. Rainfall units 150 to 200 centimeters. Temperature needs 20 degrees Celsius. C. Its distribution. Extend from Shivaliks in the north to eastern edge of Western Ghats and lower slopes of Himalayas. States. Any 3 states you can choose out of this. Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. D. Forest and trees. Forest. Dense undergrowth shed leaves for 6 to 8 weeks in summer during conditions of drought. That is, the period is from March to May. E. Species and the uses. Teak. It is termite resistant and iron nails do not rust in teak. Teakwood. Used for furniture, shipbuilding and construction of house doors and windows. Sandalwood. It is used for oils, handicrafts, perfumes and soaps. F. Its special features. First point, deciduous forest commercially the most useful forest. Second point, these forests are found in pure stands, hence they are ideal for lumbering in the forest. Lumbering and easy to transport. Third, forest. Thorn forest. B. Its climate. Rainfall 25 centimeters to 100 centimeters. Its temperature 20 degrees Celsius plus. Its distribution. Drier parts of northwestern India, rain shadow region of Western Ghats. Its states: Rajasthan, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat. D. Forest and trees. Trees are widely scattered within the forest. They are stunted with long roots, glossy leaves and spines. E. Species and the uses. First uses, Kajuri fruit is edible. Second point, care, yield, timber and dye. Third point, care and babul trees yield gum for tanning leather. In this species and the uses, you can pick up any 2 points out of this. Fourth forest is tidal forest. Its climatic condition is rainfall over 200 centimeter, temperature over 20 degrees Celsius. Its distribution, found in areas flooded by seawater. Example, delta of Ganges and Brahmaputra. D. Forest and trees. Dense forest. Trees have minute holes, roots with dense areas. E. Species and their uses. Sundari trees were hard and durable. Therefore, they are used for boats and boxes making. F. Special features. Also called as this tidal forest, also called as littoral and mangrove forest. It is popularly known as Sundarbans in West Bengal. It carries 1 mark, the special features. This tidal forest also called as littoral and mangrove forest. Why? Because it is popularly known as Sundarbans in West Bengal. Next forest is mountain forest. Its climatic condition, rainfall 150 to 250 centimeter, temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius or even cooler. Its distribution, Eastern Himalayas, Western Himalayas. States, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Forest and trees. Tropical deciduous forest in Shivaliks, pine, cedar, all these are trees. Pine, cedar, fir and spruce trees are grown. Species and the uses. Out of this, in the species and the uses, you can pick up 2 points. Softwood of coniferous forest used for making paper is 1 point. Matches and planks, deodar used for railway sleepers, 2nd point. Pine used for its resin, turpentine and medicine. Out of these 3 points, you can suggest 2. Then special features. Suitable for wildlife sanctuaries. First point. The trees are mainly evergreen with needle-shaped leaves, more wood and less leaves. Next forest is desert vegetation. Climate. Rainfall less than 25 centimeter. Temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Distribution. Drier parts of southern Punjab, Rajasthan and Deccan Plateau. Forest and trees. Thorny bushes, scattered trees, deep roots, thick fleshy stems, few and waxy leaves. Species and the uses. Wild berries, cacti, barbel trees, yields gum. They are used for tanning hides and skins. Vana Mahotsava program. This 2-mark question. This program was started in 1950. Under this program, all government organizations were supposed to plant trees in the months of July and August. Next is side heading, reforestation. To resolve this problem, government has started a program under which 2 saplings are planted for every felled trees. This is called reforestation. This will be a 2-mark question. Fire line. To protect forest from fire, a strip of land between the 2 sections of forest is cleared to prevent the spread of fire. This is called fire line. This is a 2-mark question. Forest products and the uses. First point. They are the storehouse of timber for house making and furniture, fuel, fruits, herbs, honey, bamboo and fibers. Second point. They provide unemployment to thousands of people. C. They are a source of income to the government. D. They provide raw materials to many industries, example paper. E. They provide shelter for wildlife and sanctuaries to birds. F. Forests help in maintaining ecological balance. G. Forests help in conserving water in the subsoil. H. Forests help in conserving top layer of the soil. I. Forests help in checking the wind erosion. J. Forests help in enriching soil fertility by supplying humus. Students, in the forest products and the uses, I have given you 10 points. Out of this, you choose any 6 points. It carries 5 marks. Dear children, I hope everyone are clear with today's topic and notes, and I have taught you. Kindly go through all the covered topics and be thorough before we start our third session by next week. And also make use of these notes wisely. Okay students, we'll meet you all in the next session. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.